thing we have to do is learn all the sounds of each letter. I'll show you how. Follow my lead. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, O, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Awesome!
Okay, let's try this first word. D, A, G. Now, let's connect them. D, A, G. Dog, dog, dog. Excellent work, kiddos. You're doing a great job.
Woohoo!
Let's try this next word. K, A, R. Let's blend them together. K, A, R. Car, car, car. Again, you're all amazing. Let's move on to the next word.
Yay!
You know how it works. Follow my lead. E, A, T. Let's connect them together. E, A, T, T. Eat, eat, eat. Wonderful! Let's keep reading.
Yahoo!
Let's try this next one. K, O, W. You know what to do. Let's connect them. K, O, W. Cow, cow. Wonderful work, kiddos. You're really good at this.
Hooray!
How about this next word? Let's read it. Now. Now, let's blend the sounds. Mom. Mom. Perfect. Let's move forward.
High five!
Let's read this one. Follow my lead. D, A, D. And now, let's put them together. D, A, D. Dad, Dad, Dad. Great job, kiddos! Let's move on to the next word.
Fantastic!
Here's an easy one. Follow my lead. S, I, T. Once again, let's put them together. S, I, T. Sit. 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 Incredible work, kiddos. Incredible work, kiddos. Let's keep moving.
Yay!
Here's an easy one. Follow my lead. Ha. Ah. Pa. You know the drill. Ha. Ah. Pa. Hop. 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 Great work, kiddos. Let's keep going. Great work, kiddos. Let's keep going.
It's so much fun!
Here's the next word. Ah. T. And again, let's connect them. Ah, T. And. Outstanding work, kiddos. Let's keep going.
Bravo!
Here's another word. Ah. S. Okay, let's blend these letters together. B. Ah. S. Bus. 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 Amazing work. You're really good at this.
All right.
Let's read this next word. Ah. Ah. G. Okay, let's blend these letters together. Ha. Ah. G. Hug. 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 Excellent work, kiddos.
Wow!
Let's read this next word. W. E. T. Okay, let's blend these letters together. W. E. T. Wet. 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 Good one, kiddos. On to the next one.
Excellent.
Let's read this next word. Ha. Ah. T. Okay, let's blend these letters together. Ha. Oh. T. Hot. 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 Bravo! Let's move on to the next word.
Perfect!
Here's another word. Pa. Eh. Ta. Okay, let's connect these letters together. Pa. Eh. T. Pet. 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 Wow! Great work, kiddos! Let's keep moving!
Wonderful!
You know how it works. Let's do it again. T. Ah. Yeah. Okay, let's put these letters together. T. Ah. Yeah. Toy. 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 Well done, kiddos. On to the next one. This next word. Let's read it. Pa. E. G. Okay, let's blend these letters together. Pa. E. G. E. G. Pig. 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 Fantastic. Let's keep going.
Cool.
Let Ah. Again, let's blend these letters together. Ah. Fan. 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 Great work, kiddos.
Woohoo!
Let's do this next one. Follow. Again, let's blend these letters together. S. Sun. 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 You're a star. Let's do these last two words, kiddos.
Great!
Good job, kiddos. How about this next one? Ka. Pa. Let's connect them. Ka. Pa. Cup. 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 Amazing job, kiddos. Now let's move on to our last word.
Marvelous!
Wow! I can't believe we're on our last word. Great job, kiddos. Now, let's finish this last word. B. E. D. Let's put these letters together. B. E. D. Bed. 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 Amazing.